In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get customers on Shopify and start driving traffic to your online store. First, log into your Shopify store through the Shopify website and make sure your store is fully set up with products, images, pricing, and clear descriptions. Next, connect your store to Google using the Google and YouTube sales channel. This helps your products appear in Google shopping results and increases your store's visibility. After that, focus on social media marketing. Share your products regularly on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest to attract potential customers and build brand awareness. You can also create discounts and special offers from the discount section in Shopify to encourage first-time purchases. Another powerful strategy is collecting customer emails. Use email marketing to send promotions, product updates, and abandoned cart reminders. Inside your Shopify admin, click Customers to view and manage your customer list. You can add customer details, create segments, and build targeted marketing campaigns. Don't forget to optimize your product pages with high quality images, compelling descriptions, and relevant keywords to improve search engine rankings. Finally, monitor your store's performance using analytics and adjust your marketing efforts based on what brings the most traffic and sales. And that's it. By combining SEO, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising, you can steadily grow your customer base and increase sales on Shopify. Thanks for watching.